Hey guys, in today's video I am sharing a recipe from Fallon at Moss Family TV. I will leave her link down below where she shared the same recipe. But I will tell you, it is definitely husband and kid approved. So if you want a no-bake, easy recipe for those hot summer days, or just when you need to whip something up quickly, this is the perfect recipe. So I hope you enjoy. I love making my family a dessert on Sundays, so I haven't done it in a while and it was time. I pulled out my KitchenAid mixer. I don't use it often. In there I have the paddle attachment. I did pull out my whisk attachment as you see, but I did not end up using that. I have a graham cracker crust, some cream cheese, peanut butter. I used a cup of peanut butter, a cup of sugar, which you can reduce that to 3/4, and an 8-ounce container of Cool Whip. You made my day, you made my day, you made my day, day. You made my day, you made my day, you made my day, day. Princess of mine, what have I done to deserve your royal time? Once you get it all mixed up, you're going to pour it into your graham cracker crust. And this is really great if you put it in the icebox and let it chill for at least 4 hours. I think I had mine in for 8 before I sliced it, which you will see in the next clip. And it set up just fine. I did use the 1 cup of sugar, but like I said in the beginning, you could easily reduce it to 3/4 of a cup and it will be sweet enough. I thought about drizzling the top of this with some chocolate syrup, but I did not. The inside of this pie just tastes so much like a Buckeye. It is so good, but without the chocolate. It was very definitely a hit in our home. You can see I've got my meal prep containers ready. I was going to cut this piece of pie, but I was going to cut up the fruit and all that good stuff that I usually do, but I decided not to. And of course, Shelby smells the peanut butter, so she's got to put her big nose McGee up there to check it out. She's so funny. I was actually cutting one of the twins a piece of pie, and he was in his room gaming, so when he got done with his game, he came and ate it, and the sweet little fella left me a note on my computer that this pie was the bomb diggity, so it's definitely a hit with them. I always struggle getting that first piece of pie out and not breaking the crust, no matter what kind of pie it is. And there you go, my friends. Definitely give this a shot. It will be a tasty, quick dessert that you can serve to any peanut butter lover in your life.